Y'all, this is so weird. I forgot how to talk to the camera. But I decided I wanted to come back to where I started. You know, things have changed so much over the years. TikTok is now a thing. Instagram Reels are now a thing. So it's so easy for us to just put out short form content. But if I was a little bit more consistent, I would be a lot further than what I actually am. But we're not going to talk about that today. Anyway, so today, if you click the title of the video, I have a glueless wig. This was sent to me by a company on Amazon. So this is the glueless wig. It's from Sipott, S-I-P-O-T-T. I don't know, but it is and I'm reading my phone. This is a 26-inch 5x5 HD lace closure, 180% density. So let's go ahead and get this started. So this is the bag that we received today. Nothing special, just has the logo, 100% human hair. Y'all know that if you order from Amazon, it's the same. Come on, guys. This is the wig. So here is the hair straight out the bag. I'm really excited to see what this, like, these glueless wigs have really been fun because it is the lace. This might be talking about something because, like, I don't know if it's necessarily HD, but the knots are really small, so that's a good thing. And it looks pretty pre-plucked. It looks like it's nicely plucked. And yeah, like, so far it's checking the boxes. So this is after I put the foundation on the lace. I love 5x5s. I really want y'all to stop sending me 4x4s because I ain't got to that level of finessery yet. I'll be trying, but 4x4s are a little bit difficult for me because it's not much parting space and I feel like they're hard to lay. Anyway, so let's go ahead and slap this on. Let's shift it. Okay, so this is it, just put straight on my head. This is what it looks like. Y'all, when you hot comb, you're not doing nothing when you do that. You're not doing nothing when you do that. Work on, it should be like a, because you want that flat piece to hit the roots, and that's what gets it flat, not the combs but the base. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Left or right? Pray you get that job in time. Left or right? That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. So what I like to do is, you gotta curve. You have to curve the part so it looks more realistic, because ain't nobody wearing no straight side part. Come on now, y'all. Come on now, y'all. Hot combing is probably the most tedious part of the install when it comes to glueless wigs, because you gotta make sure it's flat, hunty. Next tip would be, well, it's up to the look. It depends on the look that you want, but layer your hair, ladies, because if you're somebody that likes a lot of curls, then you're gonna have to layer it so that it lays a certain type of way. Let's consider this. Our bang beard. If I want a side like this. That means I need to start layering right there. I am not a professional, so this is what I do. Do not come at me.
Yeah, I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody
do spritz. So I can just get it to lay down. I'm using my Hot Tools Professional 1.5-inch iron. I got that from Amazon, but they also are sold at Ulta. But I think at Ulta they're like $80. I only paid like $32. I don't wanna lie, for mine. I caught it on the sale. And yeah. So while that heats up, pretty much I'm going to, I always curl my bangs first. And I curl up and back on this side of my face. So I always curl away from my face, essentially. That's just what I do. Sit there for a few seconds. And basically I'm going to pin it. Okay, so I'm gonna come back once I finish